Unfurling the red flag, an English phrase explored. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're going to delve into a commonly used English phrase, a red flag. Stick around to learn what it means, its origins, and how you can use it in daily conversation. A red flag is an idiom in English that indicates a warning sign or a cause for concern. If something is described as a red flag, it means that it might indicate a potential problem or issue. It's like an alert that makes you pay attention and reassess the situation. For example, he never remembers important dates. That's a red flag for me. If a company doesn't have clear financial records, that's a red flag. The term, red flag, has its roots in history. Traditionally, red flags were used in various cultures as signals or symbols during battles or wars. A red flag, because of its vivid color, was easy to see and signaled caution, danger, or the need for attention. Over time, the literal use of a red flag to signal danger evolved into the idiomatic expression we use today. Now, let's look at how to incorporate this phrase into our daily conversations. 1. In relationships. 2. She avoids answering questions about her past. It's a red flag. 3. In business. 4. The job offer sounds good, but not getting a contract in writing is a red flag. 5. General usage. 6. Always turning up late is a red flag that someone might not be reliable. Remember, using idioms like a red flag can make your English sound more fluent and natural. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, a red flag. We hope you now have a clear understanding of its meaning, origin, and usage. Keep an ear out for this phrase, and don't hesitate to use it when you spot a warning sign in any situation. Until next time, keep learning and happy speaking.